Hello everyone, welcome back to our BrightMind CBSE learning class, where learning becomes easy, smart and fun. I hope you all are doing great. In our previous class, we learned what fractions are. We also understood that fractions represent a whole part. If you haven't watched that video yet, do watch it first. Today we are going to learn types of fractions in a very simple and fun way. So let's get started. Fractions are 6 steps. First is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. These are all the basic fractions. Okay, so let's first understand about the proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, so first we will understand about the proper fraction, proper and improper fraction. Good. So here I will draw for your understanding. I will draw apple, one apple. Here I will draw here one apple. See. And now I will also draw one big watermelon. Let's I use color green, light green. A big watermelon. Okay. Okay. So this is apple and this is watermelon. Okay. So I will give the number to apple 3. I will give it the number apple 3. Apple name is number 3 and watermelon name is number 8. Okay. So as you already know about the top number is, I will write here. Top number is, we say top number is numerator and the bottom number is denominator. Okay, so it shows here small number on top. Here this is 3, this is small. Okay, and here is the bottom number is 8. Bottom number is a large number. Okay, 3 is a small number and 8 is a large number. So it means 3 by 8 is a proper fraction. Because it is proper for the large number to hold up the small number. Because why it is proper fraction? Because large number is holding the smaller number. Okay, right? So it means fraction which have numerator less than the denominator. This numerator is less than the denominator are called as the proper fraction. Okay, we will take a more example. 2 by 5, 4 by 7, 9 by 11, O by 8. Okay, these are all proper fraction because their numerator is less than their denominator. Hope you understand. Now let's understand the improper fraction. Now we'll go to the improper fraction. So I will draw here again watermelon here. This is a watermelon, a big watermelon here. I will draw. And again I will draw here down one apple, small apple. Right? So watermelon is the large and apple is a small, right? So on top large watermelon and on bottom a small apple. Okay, so I will give the number. So large number is 9 and for apple small number is small, I will give 4. Okay, so it means 9 by 4 is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because it is improper fraction for the smaller number 4 to hold up a bigger number. Why improper fraction? Because its smaller number hold up the bigger number, large number 9. So fraction which have numerator is greater than the denominator. They are called as improper fraction. What they are called as improper fraction. For example, we'll take 8 by 4, 3 by 2 and 7 by 1. Here same denominator are all denominators are small and numerator are larger number, right? So this is called the improper fraction. All these are improper fraction because their numerator is greater than their denominator. Okay, hope you understood this also. So now let's understand what are the mixed fraction. Okay, in mixed fractions which have two parts, a whole number followed by a proper fraction, are called the mixed fraction. Example, if I write 2 by 7. Okay, so what we say, fraction, mixed fraction 2 by 7. Here 1 is a whole number. This 1 is the whole number, and fraction, this is fraction. This fraction 2 by 7 is a proper fraction. Okay, 1 is the whole number and 2 by 7 is a proper fraction, right? Proper fraction. So 1 2 by 7 is a mixed fraction because it has two parts. How many parts? This is one whole part and this is the half part. It is a two parts, a whole number and a proper fraction number. Okay, so let's take more example. 2 3 by 8, 1 1 by 2, 2 3 by 4 and 3 1 by 5. Okay, these are all the example of a mixed fraction. Okay, so now let's learn about the unit fraction. It is very easy. Okay, where fraction with numerator 1 is called the unit fraction. Example, suppose we take 1 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 16, 1 by 18. See, here all numerator is 1, 1, 1. It's a 1 unit. Okay, it's called the 1 unit fraction. And denominator is the different number. Okay, in all these three fraction, numerator is 1. Okay, so all of these fraction are called the unit fraction. Okay, so now let's learn about like and unlike fraction. Okay, it's a very easy fraction. So we will write like and unlike fraction. Like fraction. Okay, in like fraction which have same denominator are called the like fraction. Same way. Okay, for example, I will take a 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8, 6 by 8. This is the example. Okay, here all are in same number. In all number, denominator is the same. These are called the like fraction. Okay, and numerator is different but denominator is the same. These are called the like fraction. What is called like fraction? Now there they are like fraction because they have the same denominator is 8. Okay, denominator is any number but it is same. Now let's understand unlike fraction. We will understand the unlike fraction. In unlike fraction which have different denominator are called the unlike fraction. Okay, example, in unlike fraction what is denominator is the different. For example, 1 by 8, 3 by 9, 2 by 6, 1 by 2. Okay, so here these are unlike fraction because they all have different denominator. Here 8, 9, 6, 2. Here are all the different denominator. Okay, so they are called the unlike fraction. Okay, hope you all are understood. So today we have learned about proper fraction, improper fraction, like and unlike fraction, unit fraction, and mixed fraction. right? So I have also shared here a PDF. Okay, here are all the types of fraction. Okay, so if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE Learning. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, math is easy when we learn step by step. See you in the next video. Bye everyone. Thank you.